Hello YouTube, this is Praveen for TechEmpty. Today, we're going to tackle an annoying error that some of you might be facing, the NVIDIA Web Helper.exe bad image error. This error usually pops up when you turn on your Windows 11 computer, and it can be quite frustrating to see it multiple times. But don't worry, we have few simple steps to help you fix this issue. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon to learn something new. So let's dive right in. First, let's try updating your NVIDIA drivers. To do this, right click on this PC, then choose Show More Options and select Manage. This will open the computer management screen. Here, click on Device Manager and then find Display Adapters in the list. Select NVIDIA driver, right click on it and choose Update Driver. Next, select Search Automatically for drivers to look for the latest available drivers. If you already have the best drivers installed, you can move on to the next step. If updating your NVIDIA drivers didn't resolve the problem, let's try repairing the Visual C++ software. Click on the Windows icon, then select Settings. In the sidebar, choose Apps and then click on Install Apps. Search for Visual in the list of installed applications and you should see the Microsoft Visual C++ drivers. Click on the three dots next to the driver, select Modify, then tap S for User Account Control and choose Repair. Repeat this process for both the x64 and x86 versions. After completing this step, restart your computer to check if the error has been resolved. If none of the previous steps worked, it's time to uninstall and reinstall the Visual C++ drivers. First, download the x64 and x86 versions of Visual C++ from the Microsoft website using the link provided in the video description. Then, head back to Settings, Apps, and Install Apps to locate the existing Visual C++ drivers. Uninstall both x64 and x86 versions and then reinstall them using the files you downloaded earlier. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods help you fix the NVIDIA Web Helper.exe bad image error. Let us know which method worked for you so others can benefit from your experience. If you found this video helpful, please consider buying me a coffee using the Super Thanks button below the video. Your support helps us continue making great content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.